In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change pronunciation in Murf AI. Clear pronunciation makes a huge difference when you're using AI voices. Names, technical terms, acronyms, and words from different languages can trip the voice up and pull your audience out of the moment. The good news is that Murf gives you simple tools to override mispronunciations so your narration sounds natural and professional. First, open the project in Murf Studio that contains the line you want to fix. Navigate to the exact script block where the word appears. It helps to zoom in on the text or expand the track so you can see the word clearly in context. Working in the spot where you actually hear the issue will make your comparisons more accurate. Next, select the word you want to correct. Double-click it or drag to highlight just that word without trailing punctuation. As soon as you select it, Murf opens the pronunciation menu for that word. If you have multiple similar words back-to-back, handle them one at a time to avoid confusion. In the pronunciation pop-up, you'll see smart suggestions, often shown with IPA, the International Phonetic Alphabet. IPA is simply a standardized way to show sounds. If the symbols look unfamiliar, don't worry, you can rely on your ears. Click the play button on each suggestion and listen carefully. Compare how each option sounds within the sentence, not just on its own. For acronyms, listen for whether it's spelled out letter by letter or read as a word, like SQL versus sequel or NATO versus NATO. For names or imported words, pick the version that matches your intended pronunciation and tone. If none sounds perfect, choose the closest one and preview it again in the full line. The goal is a natural rhythm that fits your script. When you've found the right match, apply the change. Choose. Apply to update only that single instance. Ideal when the same spelling might be pronounced differently elsewhere. Choose Apply to Project if you want the chosen pronunciation used everywhere in this project. That's great for brand names, product terms, or proper nouns that should be consistent throughout. If a word shifts meaning across contexts, keep it local to avoid unintended changes later. Give the line a quick playback to confirm it flows smoothly. You can always return to the same word and adjust if needed. With these steps, you'll tame tricky words quickly and keep your voiceover sounding polished from start to finish.